how to play new games on the Apple Game Center. So if you want to play new games on your iPhone from the Apple Game Center, then here's how you can do it. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to do that, first thing first, go to the app library and go and search here games. And once you have searched by this one, you'll get to see the games app. You just need to open this up and this will actually get into the Apple Game Center. And once you're here inside this, you just need to go ahead and tap on this search button at the bottom right and you'll get to see different categories. You'll get to see the top chart, new games and others. So you just need to tap on the new games and from here you actually can access to all the new games from the arcade. So you can actually scroll down and go ahead and tap one of these, whatever you like most, and then simply go and tap on Gate in order to install the games to your iPhone. But make sure all the games are not free, so you actually have to pay for install the games from here, so you just need to keep in mind. And this is how you actually can access to the new games on the Apple Game Center. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.